US immigration officers have quietly closed a window that for the past 2 years shielded many children of long-term visa holders from being forced out of their parents' green card applications. In February 2023, the US Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, adopted a generous reading of the 2002 Child Status Protection Act, letting officers use the dates for filing chart, an early, more favorable cutoff, to decide whether a child's age could be frozen under the law. That reading spared thousands of teenagers, particularly those whose parents hold H-1B visas, from what is called as aging out, the day that they turned 21 years old. Come 15 August 2025, that reprieve disappears. In new guidance released this week, USCIS says it will revert to the stricter final action dates chart for any adjustment of status case filed on or after that date. The final action chart typically trails the filing chart by months, sometimes years. So children whose birthdays fall in that gap will no longer qualify as derivatives on their parents' petitions. The shift lands hardest on Indian professionals, the single largest group stuck in the employment-based green card line. The Cato Institute's David Bayer estimated in March 2023 that 1.07 million Indians were already waiting in the EB2 and EB3 categories. Within that queue lurk roughly 134,000 children at risk of aging out. Advocates warn the new calculation could swell that figure. For families, the practical stakes are brutal. A child who ages out must start an immigration journey from scratch, often as an international student with no direct path to permanent residence, while the rest of the family moves toward green card approval. Siblings are split, college plans are upended, and years of expectation collapse overnight. Immigration lawyers reacted with dismay. They point out that the 2023 policy was crafted precisely because Congress has not updated the 23-year-old per country green cards cap that created the backlog in the first place. Reversing course, they say, imposes a technical change with life-altering consequences on children who have grown up in the United States and know no other home. Doug Rand, a former White House immigration advisor who helped design the 2023 guidance, was quoted in a Times of India story calling the reversal a petty and obnoxious thing to do, arguing that it injects fresh fear and heartbreak into an already strained system. For thousands of young adults, the countdown to 21 has just begun again, and the timer is ticking louder than ever before. For more such stories, subscribe to SNG News, hit the like button and follow for more news updates.